For this tech tip video, we're going to talk about our holding finger adjustment. So we're on the right hand side of our baler right here, and this is our holding finger rod that's connected down here to our holding fingers. Up in here we've got this roller on this end of the arm, that on our stuffer arm right here you can see we've got this cam that as this comes around, it will come down here and it will hit, your cam will hit your roller, and it will move your holding finger in and out. So we've got, so right here we have these ball joints, and you need to come and every year check your ball joints. See how this ball joint right down here, you see that movement in there? You'll need to go and replace it. When it's like this is on a 4790, and you're able to go a number of years. On your 21 and 2200 series balers, you'll need to replace those ball joints every year. So if we come up here, you've got your ball joint here and your ball joint down here. Of course, left hand, right hand threads. So you go ahead and you'll break your jam nuts loose, top and bottom, then you can put a wrench in here and then move this to turn it to get in and out. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to start it, and you can see your holding finger, your stuffer fingers are starting to come down, and this cam, you watch right here, that cam is starting to move. Now your cam's going to go down, and it's hitting your holding finger rod. Now we're going to show you up inside there the holding fingers going out. Now you can see that our holding fingers, as we move, turn our stuffer, and our stuffer tines are going down into the charge chamber, and our holding fingers are coming out. And as you can see, our holding fingers are sticking out right here, are sticking out from this plate. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our wrench and we're going to turn this. You can see that plate right there. So basically the thickness, we want the holding fingers out 1/2 of an inch. So what we kind of use as a rule of thumb is when it's on the inside of that opening, that's about where we want it to be. So as you can see from your opening right here back into your tine, you're at about 1/2 of an inch. So that's the procedure that we're going to go through to adjust our holding finger tines.